Hey guys, today, let's learn how to create auto captions in Capcut. So if you guys are wondering how to create your own automatic captions over on the Capcut application, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch and access the Capcut application. Now once we're already onto the Capcut application, what we need to proceed with doing next is accessing the specific file or project that we want to go ahead and edit. In this case, let's go ahead and just edit this one right here, and it does require some specific stuff. So let's go ahead and proceed with doing that. And then what we want to go ahead and do from here is to basically have a specific video for us to edit. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use this video right here, which has actually the necessary sound that I would like to use. From here, if we want to go ahead and add automatic captions, all we need to do is to access the option called text over here, and we have auto captions right here. So all we need to do is to tap on this auto captions button, and then we are now gonna have the option to choose specific sources of where the captions will come from. In this case, I'm gonna tap on all, and then we could also choose specific templates to use for the captions. And once you're done, just tap on start, and it's gonna start creating the automatic captions for you, just that easily. And that's so you guys could easily create automatic captions on Capcut. Now that is all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as all of you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.